Hey guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. My cousin Patty had asked me how I cook spinach, so I thought it would be easier to show her as to try and explain it over the phone. I use a medium to high heat and olive oil to cover the bottom. And handfuls of spinach. And I know it looks like a lot, but Patty, once this cooks down, it's going to be almost nothing. And I wait till this really starts to cook. And turn it gently. Oops. And once it starts to snap, crackle, and pop, I just add a little bit of water to it. And you can see how much is starting to cook down already, and it's only been going 30 seconds. And I just keep turning it so that they all cook evenly. I love the way the olive oil tastes with spinach. And there it is, Patty. It's done. And I'll just turn the flame off. Let it drip off. And plate it up. And that is my favorite breakfast. Scrambled eggs and homemade or fresh cooked spinach. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.